how to upload content on Patreon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, just let me tell you that you will need creators account to upload content on Patreon. And if you don't know how to create a creators account, then I have a different video for that. Please check it out. So in this video, I'll show you how to upload content after creating your creators account. For that, head over to your browser and open up the Patreon. And then you can see profile on the bottom left. Just tap on it and switch to creator. Now, something like this will open up. Scroll down and you can see make your first post. So, just tap on the arrow and then now you'll see something like this. You can put in your video, audio, image, link, attachment, and more. You can put in even poll and live streams. And you can put in the title of what you're uploading and then put in a description here. Or you can even start creating a newsletter. Similarly, you can see settings on the right hand side. You can give free access or you can set more options like free and paid members, free members only, or free members and public visitors. And or you can just switch it to paid access and then you can set a price of your choice. Similarly, you can customize the image preview, set emails and notifications for your post, and then you can even add to collection if you want to, and you can make this a drop and set publish date, and you can either choose to allow comments or tap on it and toggle off the comments, and here you can put in your hashtags. So there are various settings that you can choose from before posting in your Patreon. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.